Welcome back to a new chapter. In this chapter, we'll be setting our React app. And before setting our React app, the first thing you'll have to have in your system is this Node.js. So go to this node.js.org and install this latest LTS version because this is a long-term support version. And click here. And you'd have a different, version for your different operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac. So you can install it from here. And after installation of Node.js, let's create an empty directory or folder. And after that, let's open up the code editor. In my case, it is Visual Studio Code. You can either download it or use any that you want, and then open that folder. And now let's open up the terminal from here. You can also use the shortcut. And let's first of all clear it. And let's copy the command for React from root, that is npm create zip @latest and this dot, because I want to have the same directory and not another. So let's choose now React since we are creating React. And let's go with this JavaScript plus SWC since this is more faster. And let's now install our dependency. For that, we have npm install. And after that, what we have to do is npm run dev to start our development server. So our server is live, and we can either, copy the URL in the browser or just control click from here to open up in the browser. And there we go. We have completed our setup. But what we have to do now is we have to optimize our setup a little bit. So let's go back to the code, and from here in src, we can remove this app.css because we are not using raw CSS here. We'll be using Chakra UI. Also remove this index.css, we'll not need this. And in min.jsx, remove this index.css. And from app.jsx, we need to remove a lot of things. Remove, first of all the imports. And after that, remove this line. And then let's remove all this boilerplate code, and let's add a simple text. Let's say JWT as of now, and let's check the browser and let's refresh. And there you go. We have set up our React app, and we have also removed unnecessary files. And I'll see you in the next chapter.